Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive, and today we're going to take a look at a 2011 Ford Edge SEL. Stock number is 18F118A. Starting right away up front, you see you have those LED running lights, as well as a nice chrome grille adding a sharp feel. Look at the passenger side, you do have alloy wheels, and those are wrapped with Goodyear Assurance tires. Inside now, you have leather interior. These are leather bucket seats, very clean, no rips or tears on any of the seats as you can see. We're going to take a look at the back seats as well just to show you how clean they are. One more look down the passenger side before we swing around to the back end. On the back you have a factory trailer hitch, and the SEL is all-wheel drive, so on those wintry Wisconsin days you won't be sliding all over the road. A look in the hatch, you have a 60-40 split on the rear seats. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Let's take a look inside now. You can see you have all the usual power amenities here on the door. Looking here at the steering wheel, you have your audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls mounted right there at your fingertips. Full touchscreen includes your stereo, navigation. You have dual climate control as well as dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Edge on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.